All right, you poor souls. Poor souls working on this 2007 BMW X3. I think this is an N52 motor. This is the wife's old car. Runs good when I can keep the parts on there working and good. But anyway, that's that. We just upgraded her to that new Subaru Ascent. I might do a video on that. Anyway, you guys saw me do the starter on it. When I was doing the starter, I took the intake manifold off. Heard something rattling around in there. I shook it around some, and this pin here falls out one of the intake ports. I'm glad I caught it, because if this fell down into the head of the motor, this could block a valve. It feels like it's like, it feels like it's like some kind of composite plastic. It's not metal. So I don't know if it would have, made my engine explode, but I'm glad I caught it before, before it fell down and blocked a valve. I took the DISA valve out at that time when the intake manifold was out of the car. Here's a flap. I took the flap out of there. That was, that was just floating around up in there. Anyways, nobody had the part, so I had to put the car back together. So I put this old valve back in there, even though it wasn't doing anything, obviously, until my new part can come in. So here's the new part. Came in from Amazon. I guess it's a common theme here that after a while, this pin up here, which is that one, works its way out, and then the flap falls out and stuff. They offer rebuild kits. I would recommend doing a rebuild. I had a 330xi several years ago that I did the rebuild kit on, and I was, very, very happy with it. But this one looks like it's going to do the job. So I already told you I put the whole car back together after putting the starter on, so I had to disassemble it again after the new part came in. So how you did that is, obviously take the air box out. That's all super easy. This piece right here is sitting in on top of the throttle body down there, and there's a rib on the inside, which makes it difficult to pop off. So what I did was I just loosened the band up real good, got a long screwdriver in there, pried it right up, came right off, no problem. When you put it back on, you're going to want to make sure that this notch right here lines up with that notch on the top side right there. So anyways, pop that off. You loosen the screws here that held the DISA valve in place, and this little lip right here is going to keep you on. What you can do is, you loosen the band, turn it around. That's probably what I should have done. But what I ended up doing was I just loosened all the bolts, took 3 of the bolts out that hold the throttle body on, and then that bottom right one I just loosened pretty good, and so I was able to, jiggle it up out of the way and make way to, pull the old DISA valve out. So now I'm going to install this one. Hopefully it's going to work. Should work. Everything will be good. So hope this video helps you out. Good luck to you.